Hey guys, welcome back to another one. This is about adoption from a credit card company that we all know by the name of Visa. And the point of this video is just to show that more adoption is coming soon. It might not be here right now, but right around the corner, more adoption is heading our way. This article just talks about Visa, but I'm sure the direct competitor MasterCard probably has some plans in the work as well. And we'll just have to stand by and see what their news is in the coming weeks and months. But you can see it. You may soon be able to pay in crypto wherever Visa is accepted, which, that's pretty much any and every store, restaurant that you go to. You can pay with a credit card. As long as it's not like a mom and pop, even the mom and pop stands nowadays, you're able to pay with a Visa credit card due to, the Stripe and the Plaid platforms that every little store has. So just checking out the article, it says that Visa says it'll partner with cryptocurrency companies and allow consumers to pay in digital currency wherever its cards are accepted. Nearly 70 million places worldwide, and merchants won't have to do anything on their end, but rather customers will simply pay in crypto using a Visa credit card, and it will automatically convert to fiat currency. The merchants don't have to change anything, said Visa's head of cryptocurrencies. It will be the same as any other Visa transaction to them, but on the back end, the crypto assets are instantly converted into fiat. Crypto cards. So as we all know, BlockFi has some crypto link cards where you can swipe the card, and instead of getting additional points back, you get Bitcoin back. But there already exists a rising market in crypto link Visa cards that let customers spend directly from their crypto wallets, and Visa says that more than $1 billion was spent on such cards in the first half of 2021 alone. So those are pretty awesome numbers, and they'll just continue to rise higher and higher as, we continue to get more adoption. So in theory, as long as you have a crypto wallet, and I know most of the popular exchanges, they have some sort of crypto-backed wallet, like Coinbase. They have a Coinbase wallet actually. So you can tie your Visa credit card to that Coinbase wallet in theory, and then be able to, buy some M&Ms or Coke at Walmart, and Visa will just deduct directly from your wallet. So essentially, your wallet will become, your bank account. That's personal. You don't have to go through a third party. You don't have to work with Bank of America or JP Morgan Chase. You can just have all of your money in your own personal wallet, which is great. With this announcement, the article continues, it should be easier for customers of platforms like Coinbase to link their wallets to a Visa card, assuming you aren't hodling your coins. So spending cryptos, there's a steep climb in the value of many cryptocurrencies in many years. Spending them to buy pizzas might seem like a bad idea nowadays, but at the same time, the ability to more easily transact could provide a much needed adoption boost. And that's the big thing here, guys. We need more people to adopt into, utilizing crypto, understanding crypto, and that will overall help us early adopters for our value to increase. And the use cases beyond the speculative investments that Bitcoin in particular is primarily used for today. Cryptocurrencies offer unique benefits over fiat currency, like the ability to move funds around much faster. Having a name like Visa attached could foster wider acceptance of digital currencies and bolster trust in them. You can spend Ethereum anywhere, for instance, using a debit card. So, essentially, as this article has said a couple times, the big thing here is just adoption. So if Visa comes out and is able to link to your own crypto wallet, and then MasterCard comes out with a different, crypto-backed card, and they're able to link to your crypto wallet, that'll just help with adoption overall, guys. which, like I said earlier, it'll help with us early adopters, and we can continue to see increases in prices of the coins that we hold. If you have any other questions or see any articles that you'd like me to read, let me know in the comments below. Bye.